The success rate of embryo adoption largely depends on the quality of embryos themselves, and as such, the characteristics of the recipient woman do not influence the probability of the success in quite such a degree. Modern day techniques of embryo vitrification mean that after thawing, more than 90% of the embryos survive and remain in excellent condition in order to undergo embryo transfer. What we mustn't forget is that embryo adoption involves the adoption of embryos which are left over from another couple's IVF treatment. If another couple has been having the IVF treatment, it's because there are fertility issues, so this can influence the success rate. However, it may be that these embryos themselves and that other couple actually had donated eggs and donated sperm. These are facts that you will not be able to know, but this could actually improve the success rates. I have available the results of the Spanish Fertility Society's data collection for the year of 2020. And if we have a look at these statistics, we can see that the probability of getting pregnant per embryo transfer using embryo donation is 44.4%. When we look at the probability of live birth, this is 30.4%. Finally, just to reiterate that when undergoing the adoption of embryos, you must be sure that you are ready and willing to give up the idea of giving up your genetic load to your future children. So psychological counselling is advisable before going for embryo adoption.